తో పాటు షీర్ క్లాత్ ని కూడా బ్లౌజ్ కుట్టడానికి ఉపయోగించండి. బ్లౌజ్ వెనుక భాగంలో షీర్ క్లాత్ పై ఎంబ్రాయిడరీ చేయించుకుంటే అటు చూసేందుకు అందంగా కనిపించడంతో పాటు ఎక్కువ చర్మం కనిపించకుండానే ప్రత్యేకమైన బ్లౌజ్ డిజైన్ ని మీరు సొంతం చేసుకోవచ్చు. నౌ లెట్స్ వాచ్ దిస్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఇన్ నవ్య.
Hi, this is Shreya from Stree. I'm a textile and a graphic designer here. I'll take you through some of the premium blouses that we have done, which are completely handcrafted over here. So there are like different themes that we work on, like Matani Pacheri, and we take inspiration from those themes and just develop our blouses and embroideries according to that. So coming to the first one, this is a completely handcrafted golden zari work that we did here. It was an inspiration that we took from Matani Pacheri theme, and you can see this is completely intricate work that is going through all through the blouse. This is the front, and it has some puff sleeve blouse, which was a kind of old tradition, but now it has again come into fashion. And this is the back of the blouse, completely rust red color, gives you a premium and very handcrafted look. All that fabrics that we use here are completely our own handcrafted fabrics and are completely pure ones. So every blouse has a different unique style which does not look similar to the other one. So in the same category of the puff blouse, we have another piece. So it is completely hand embroidered and enhanced here over in our with our karigars, and it has different kind of materials like kardanas, golden zari works and pots. And this is the back of this blouse. So you can see the sleeves also are completely handcrafted, and it gives a very ethnic look to whatever you pair up with. So it can pair up with some contrasting sarees, solid sarees, or some pattu sarees also, which will give you a completely different and outstanding look. This is something very different work that we did. It is completely thread work and a kardana work. So it has a front opening, a zipper opening over here, and this has a very sleek design at the back also, which being giving it a traditional yet very contemporary look. So you can pair it up with any solid sarees, or may it be a pattu saree or embroidered saree. It goes well with every kind of sarees, and it took a half month's time to get this done. And this is heavily handcrafted over here, and each piece you can see is completely different from the other one. So coming to the next one, this is our very own handcrafted blouse, which has raw silk fabric base, and so it is completely embroidered and has a front opening with the loops, and this has a full sleeves, and the sleeves also have a sleek border over it. So you can pair it up with every kind of premium kind of sarees, and it will give you a very ethnic and very traditional look. It has a back embroidery as well, so being it at the front or back, it can be styled with every different kind of drapes as well. So this has a front opening, and this color also, the contrasting color threads that have been used in the embroidery enhances the look of this blouse. Coming to the next one, this is our sweetheart neckline blouse with a pleated sleeves. It has a detailing. We work on detailings a lot, like on the sleeves, on the neckline, whether be it a hemline or anything. It has a different technique on each of the blouse pieces that we have. So you can see there are embroideries on the back panel as well on the front panel, on the sleeves also. It has a piping and a contrasting piping, which gives a very rich look to it, and you can pair it up with anything. It is more like looks like more like contemporary, but it is best you can pair it with traditional as well as contemporary both. So coming to the next one, this is a choli cut. This is also elbow length sleeves with completely handcrafted embroidery, which is done over our studio, and this has a back like this, a keyhole back with us, and you like youths like for the age group of early 20s to like early late 40s can have this blouse, and it will be really a good option for them. Here this is a completely different style that we have done. This has a V-neck blouse with embroidery on each of the sleeve lines and neckline, and this has flared sleeves, which gives you a kind of look of a kimono also, which you can pair it up with very funky way. So the next one, it's a white raw silk based blouse which has a V-neck in the front and at the back. It has a sleek sleeveless sleeves, and you can see there's the work which is done is completely contrasting in a pop colors, so it gives a very trendy and very classy, elegant look. So you can pair it up with anything, it's whether be it a skirt or a sari, you can pair it up with everything, and this gives you a really enhanced look. We have used Swarovski crystals, pots and cut danas in this particular blouse. I just introduced to some of the few elegant and classy blouses that we have done here. For more products and for more blouses and categories, you can visit our site and website we'll be launching soon, and we can also visit us through our Instagram page, which is 3official. Thank you.
మామూలు బ్లౌజులు కామన్గా అనిపిస్తే పెప్లం టైప్ బ్లౌజులను వేసుకోవచ్చు. పెప్లంలను జీన్స్ పటియాలతో మాత్రమే కాదు, చీరతోనూ మ్యాచ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ముఖ్యంగా సెంటర్ స్లిట్ పెప్లం అయితే చీరలపై అద్భుతంగా మ్యాచ్ అవుతుంది.